Hey everyone, welcome back to Raminmark, your ultimate destination for the latest and greatest in electronics and audio gear. If you love honest reviews, detailed comparisons, and deep dives into cutting-edge tech, then you're in the right place. In today's video, we're reviewing the Sony WH-1000XM6, the direct successor to the XM5, packed with smarter technology, a brand new processor, and professional-grade sound, co-created by mastering audio engineers. Right out of the box, the XM6 feels premium. It's designed with precision metalwork, smooth synthetic leather, and a wider headband that provides all-day comfort. The foldable design and compact magnetic carrying case make it travel-friendly and stylish at the same time. Sony has clearly focused on both durability and comfort, making it a great fit for professionals, travelers, and everyday listeners alike. Now, let's talk about what makes the WH-1000XM6 truly stand out: its noise cancelling power. The new HD Noise Canceling Processor QN3 is 7 times faster than the QN1 chip found in the previous model. It optimizes input from 12 microphones in real time, analyzing and canceling out external noise instantly. Whether you're on a flight, in the subway, or working from a busy cafe, this headphone adapts automatically to your surroundings. With Adaptive NC Optimizer, it even adjusts to factors like air pressure, glasses, or hats, giving you perfect silence no matter what. Sony partnered with world-renowned mastering audio engineers to fine-tune the sound. Every detail, from the lightweight carbon fiber dome drivers to LDC support for high-res audio, delivers sound that's rich, balanced, and crystal clear. You'll hear crisp vocals, deep bass, and instrument separation so clean, it feels like being in the studio with the artist. And with LDC, data transmission is 3 times higher than standard Bluetooth, so you don't lose any detail even when streaming wirelessly. Sony has also taken calls seriously this time. The XM6 comes with a 6-microphone beamforming system and AI-based voice isolation technology. That means even in noisy environments your voice sounds clear and background noise disappears. Perfect for video calls, meetings, or outdoor chatting. Battery life? Massive. You get up to 30 hours on a full charge, and with USB PD fast charging, a quick 3-minute charge gives you 3 hours of playback. Both Bluetooth and audio cable connections are supported, so even if your battery dies, your music doesn't. Sony's Auto Ambient Sound mode balances music and environment sounds intelligently. Need to hear an announcement or talk to someone? The headphones automatically adjust. No need to take them off. Combine that with the Adaptive NC Optimizer and touch controls, and you've got one of the smartest listening experiences ever built into a headphone. So, is the Sony WH-1000XM6 worth it? Absolutely. With industry-leading noise cancellation, studio-quality sound, and smart AI optimization, this is easily one of the best headphones of 2025. If you're serious about music, travel often, or just want peace wherever you go, the XM6 is a no-brainer. This video contains affiliate links. If you purchase through them, we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Thanks for watching Raminmark, your trusted source for honest electronics reviews. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you